Okay, we continue. Yeah, so we already have done the bug update properties to hide these 14 columns, and then now we're going to continue with the creating the custom column. Yeah, use the sales order number in calculation to create the text calculation in Power BI desktop. Yeah, so multi-select the product standard cost, sales cost, and sales, and then the format, the decimal places is set to 0. Yeah, so this is a bug update for the few columns. Yeah, okay, so let's do it in the Power BI. Okay, so product standard cost, yeah, okay, the product table, then after that the standard cost. Yeah, after that multi-select with the sales cost. Yeah, sales cost, so you hold the control key in the keyboard. Yeah, so we have two columns selected, then a sales, this one. Okay, so by default we're going to make this formatting decimal place to 0. So here in the formatting decimal place and 0. Okay, after that explore the model interface. Yeah, switch to the report view. Okay, you see that now it has the 0 decimal and then the 1000 separator. Yeah, okay. In the data, notice the following. Yeah, column, hierarchy, and the level, all fields which can be used to configure report visual. Yeah, okay, so here, so this special, yeah, the spatial, yeah, to show the what you call the geolocation. Yeah, okay, file the add-on with the sigma symbol will summarize by default. Yeah, and a tooltip appears when hovering the cursor to the sales cost. Okay, so in the sales cost, just now we put the description, right? Yeah, based on the standard cost. Yeah, okay, yeah, based on the standard cost. You see here we have this in the tooltip. Yeah, okay, and then expand the sales order date. Yeah, so this is a hierarchy. Okay, then after that we have the date hierarchy that contains year, quarter, month, day. Okay, so the target month field deliver similar hierarchy. Target months. Yeah, okay, here. Yeah, so we have this hierarchy: year, quarter, month, and day. Sometimes we do not want this to display. This one is not created by us, yeah, but by the system. Yeah, we can turn off this automatic hierarchy by going to the file and then options and setting, and then click the options. Yeah, then choose the current file, data load, and then here you choose the time intelligence to disable. Yeah, okay. In the data pane, notice that the date hierarchy no longer. Yeah, after this then it's gone. Yeah, the date hierarchy is gone. Okay, so that's the purpose, yeah, of this disabling the time intelligence. Okay, the next step is to create the measure. Yeah, so in the sales table, right click and then new quick measure, and then after that in the calculations mathematical we choose the subtraction. So sales table. Yeah, yep, quick measure. Quick measure. Okay, then after that in the calculation mathematic, yeah, subtraction. Okay, so we going to subtract the the sum of sales, this one, yeah, sum of sales minus the sum of costs. Okay, yeah, then click add. After that, we're going to rename the new column as profit. Change to profit. Okay, yeah, this one, profit. Okay, after that, in the sales table, add the second quick measure. So sales table, after that, the new, okay, you can continue this one, yeah, quick measure. Yeah. So division, yeah, we select the division. After that, the numerator is a sales profit. Yeah, sales profit. Okay, yep, so profit, yeah, okay. Profit, and then minus the sales. Okay, sales. Okay, profit divided by the sum of the sales. Okay, yep, then after that, rename the measure to the profit margin. Okay, so profit margin. Okay, yeah, so this one is the profit margin, and then home table sales. After that, the format is a percentage, and then yep, after that, select the comma, yeah. Okay, so here profit margin percent, after that comma 2 decimal. Okay, 2, yeah, increment 2. Okay, yeah, so like this, follow the sample here. Yeah, that's minus cost, rename profit, then after that this. Okay, so profit margin. So now if you add the profit and then profit margin to the table, then it will create something like this, yeah. Okay, so click this one. After that, add the profit and then profit margin. Okay, yeah, so just now actually we changed the format, right? Let's try again to edit this in the properties. So close this. Yeah, okay, here you go. So same like this, yeah, 1883489. Yeah, okay, 999,495, 1.29. Okay, now we continue by create the many-to-many relationship, yeah, in a Power BI desktop report view. In the data pane, check the follow two fields to create the new table visual. Okay, so salesperson, sales. Okay, so we create a new table, so have to select this to the other area. We must, yeah. Okay, you want to put it on the below also can, yeah, below also can. So the column that you want to add to the table is the salesperson. Okay, and then after that the sales by the salesperson. Okay, so 77548,570. Yeah, correct. The table display sales method each salesperson. However, there's another relationship between salespeople and sales. Yeah, same salespeople belong to one, two, or possibly more sales region. Okay, notice that Michael Blight sold almost 9 million. Yeah, Michael Blight, that is almost 9 million. Yeah. Okay, you can format this in the yeah, here. So in the value, change to 16, and then in the column header also change to 16. Make it bigger. Okay, yeah, so now easier to see. Okay, notice Michael Blight is almost 9 million. Switch to model view and then drag the salesperson region table to position between the region and salesperson table. Okay, so in the data model, drag and drop. Yeah, so drag the salesperson region, which is this one. Make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, salesperson region between the region and salesperson. Okay, region and salesperson. Yeah, so like this. Use the drag and drop technique to create following model. Yeah, the salesperson employee key. This one, yeah, employee key. Then salesperson region employee key. Like this. Yeah. Okay. Then after that, click save. Then region sales territory key to the salesperson region sales territory key. Like this. Okay. Sales territory key as the column to link. Yeah. So create this in between. Yeah. Okay. The salesperson region table can be considered to be the bridging table. Yeah, between the salesperson and the region. Switch to report view, and then notice that the visual has not updated. Yeah, the sales result for the Michael Blight has not changed. Yeah, close to the 9 million. Okay, why is gone? Okay, I think I have to select everything. Yeah, okay, Michael Blight. Yeah, so need to make it a little bit bigger. Maybe I put this way. Yeah, so higher, so I can see, can show everything. Yeah, Michael Blight. Yeah, haven't changed. Yeah, almost 9 million. Okay, switch mode back to the model view, and then after that follow the relationship with the filter direction. Okay, so delete, yeah, the region and salesperson region. So let's see the direction. The direction between the salesperson, this one, performance, yeah, Okay, yeah, so the relationship is wrong, yeah, between the region and salesperson region. This one, the arrow is wrong. Okay, so I think yeah, salesperson region, the arrow is wrong. To edit the relationship between region and salesperson region, double click the relationship, this one. Okay, and then after that the filter direction, choose to both, yeah, and then after that apply the security filter in both direction, click OK, save. So you notice now the arrow change, yeah, already a two direction. Okay, yep, then after that switch to the report view, and then Michael Blight still unchanged, yeah. Yep, still not changed, yeah. The switch to model view to force the filter propagation via the bridging table, yeah. Then double click the relationship between a salesperson and salesperson and the sales, this one, yeah. Okay, and then edit relationship, uncheck the this one active, yeah. Okay, so we force this to use the link here, yeah, instead of directly, but like this. So go back to the report view. So now the Michael Blight showing the 21 million. Okay, yeah. Notice also that the sales for each salesperson, if added, would exceed the table total. Yeah, 77, 548, 570. Yeah, same, yeah. Okay, switch model view, and then in the diagram, select the salesperson table. This one, yeah, the table. And then after that, replace the text with the performance, yeah, okay. So, in the properties, yeah. Okay. In the, yeah, name, yeah. Salesperson, after that, performance. Okay, yes. So now change already. Now you're going to relate the targets table. In the task, you will create a relationship to targets table. Yep. So create a relationship from the salesperson performance employee ID to the targets employee ID. Okay. So here employee ID, then we drag the table a little bit higher. Okay. Then after that, yeah. So okay. Yeah. So the data is employee ID to targets employee ID. So here employee ID, go to the employee ID. Okay, so click save. In the report view, add the target field to the table visual. So here this target, we add the target here, target the amount, yeah. So yep, target. Okay, this here is the target amount, yeah. Okay, just add. Okay, then we just Yep, target. Yeah, so 676210, correct. Yeah. Okay, so we conclude this uh, activity or assignment 2b. Let's look at the screenshot. Yeah, provide screenshot semantic model, verify you have all the table and their interrelationship in the screenshot. Yeah, okay, so here yep, so we already have this. Yeah, okay. Okay, everyone, so here you go. This is the model, semantic model. Yeah, then after that all the tables with the relationship. Yeah, so I click to generate the screenshot. So this is the first screenshot for this. And the second is to create the screenshot, expand the sales order date field. Yeah, sales order date field, and then provide the screenshot of the date hierarchy. Sales order date. Okay, the data, after that sales. Okay, so here we have the one moment. Yeah, I think the order date. Okay, let's see if we have that column. Yeah, order date. Yeah, okay, this is the order date. Okay, then after that yes, because just now we already have height hidden. Yeah, the hierarchy, so we not able to see, so we need to go to the file and then after that options. Okay, and then after that go to the current file, data load, and then time intelligence. Yeah, click OK. Yeah, so the order date is now in the properties. Wait, let me check. Okay, everyone, since the requirement is to display the date hierarchy in the sales order date, and then previously in one of the tasks we disable the automatic date hierarchy through this file. After that option setting, options. Yeah, then after that in the data load, then this one. Yeah, we disable. So if you want to see the order date hierarchy, you need to enable again. Okay, then click OK. But even after you enable, then you see that hierarchy, yeah, is shown, yeah, like this. So you have to do that. Yeah, so yep, let's give more space. Yeah, then after that we take the screenshot, this one. Okay, so this is the order date date hierarchy. Okay, copy. Yeah, then after that put in the this second screenshot. Okay, so save it, close. Now we save it, then done already. Yeah. Okay, so you can save this to your OneDrive. Yeah, you log on with OneDrive, then a copy, then later you can download to copy to your local machine. Alternatively, let me try if I can do so. Right click, and then after that, oh no, cannot. Yeah, so cannot copy paste because this is virtual machine. Okay, so that's the assignment 2b.